tiger finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Tiger finger, what do you say? That's what I say. Cat finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Cat finger, what do you say? That's what I say. Monkey finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Monkey finger, what do you say? That's what I say. Elephant finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Elephant finger, what do you say? That's what I say. Cow finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Cow finger, what do you say? That's what I say. Animal fingers, where are you? Here we are, how do you do? Bye bye. Welcome to our animal school. Tiger is the class teacher. Elephant, cat, monkey, baby elephant, cow are the students. Good morning, children.
Good morning, sir.
Children, today we are going to learn a moral story. Let's start the story. Once upon a time, the dove was sitting on a tree. The ant saw a hunter aiming his arrow at the dove. The ant knew that dove was in danger. He quickly beat the hunter's leg. The hunter cried in pain. The hunter arrow missed the dove. This time, the ant saved the dove. The dove thanked the ant for saving her life. Children, anyone can guess why ant helped the dove? No one. Guess, children. Okay. I am continuing the story, okay? Long time ago, a very thirsty ant was drinking water from the river. Suddenly the ant lost his balance and fell into the river water. Help, 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 cried the ant. But no one could hear his cries. A dove sitting on a tree nearby saw that the ant was in the trouble. She quickly plucked off a leaf from the tree and dropped into the water. The ant climbed on the leaf. He thanked the dove for saving his life. Now we understand, children? Very good. Why ant helped the dove? Because the dove helped the ant in past. So the moral of the story is one good deed deserves another. Bye, children. Let us meet tomorrow with another moral story. Bye bye.